Now let us see question number 9 of exercise 14.1. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Literacy rate in percent is given as class intervals. Number of cities is the frequency for different class intervals. Here I have written literacy rate and number of cities in vertical columns. The number of cities is the frequency. This is class interval. Let us find class marks. Here class mark is equal to lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. In this way we can find, or we can employ another method. We can take half of the class size. Class size H is 55 minus 45. It is 10 here. Half of class size is 5. Then we get class mark as lower boundary plus half of class size. Here it is 45 plus 5. It is 50. So go on adding 5 to the lower boundary in every interval. So here we get 50. Here 55 plus 5, so 60. Here we get 70. Here 75 plus 5, 80. Here it is 90. Now let us employ deviation or step deviation method. First let us take some assumed mean. The central value is 70 here, and 70 has highest frequency. So it is better to choose 70 as assumed mean. This is our assumed mean, A. So A is equal to 70. Di is equal to xi minus A. Now here let us find di. 50 minus 70 is minus 20. 60 minus 70 is minus 10. Here 70, xi is 70 and A is also 70. 70 minus 70 is 0. 80 minus 70 is positive 10. 90 minus 70 is positive 20. When we observe the deviations, it is found that these deviations are multiples of 10. So let us choose h as 10 and find out ui values. Ui is equal to di by h. So here minus 20 by 10, we get minus 2. Here minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now let us find fi ui product values. Here it is 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. 11 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. Here sum of negative values is minus 16. Sum of positive values is 14. So sigma fi ui is minus 2. Here sigma fi. Let us check in the question. In the question it is given that there are 35 cities. So sigma fi is 35. Here we write sigma fi is equal to 35. So let us write the formula for mean. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Now substitute the values. Here A is 70, 70 plus sigma FIUI is minus 2 by sigma Fi is 35 into H is 10. So here dividing 10 and 35 by 5 we get 2 here and 7 here. So it is 70 minus 4 by 7. 4 by 7, let us divide 4 by 7. We get 0.35. We get 5 here. 49, 1, 30. So 4, 28. So we can stop it here. Let us say it is 70 minus 0.57. So we get it as 69.43. Therefore, mean literacy rate is 69.43%. Thank you. See you in next video.